Okay, I start again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Now Zoom, third Zoom ya, or Zoom 3 for visiting lecture program with the visiting lecturer Prof. Evis from NRC again
Perfect.
at Saturday,
السلام عليكم.
8 Maret 2026. Now, continue the question and answer. I think remain two group. Give the question and you have to answer. Prof. Evis, are you ready?
Okay. Okay.
Yes. You can start to answer, yeah?
Okay. What would you like to ask? Why is iron triplate chosen over other Lewis acid catalysts such as aluminum chloride or zinc chloride in this system? Okay, this is a good question. As you know, iron triplate is all catalyst in general is a connector between reactant to go product. So iron triplate avoided side product. Any side product avoided it. Why? Aluminum chloride or zinc chloride can do chlorination to the intermediate and then give chlorinated product. And this occurred with me in France. For example, when I use iron trichloride as a Lewis acid in my optimization to form cyclized product, first of all, I have acetylene compound with another one. I wanted to cyclize it to give three cycles compound. So, for example, I have physalimide with acetylenic product. Okay, CC bond formation. When I used iron trichloride, the acetylenic bonds is chlorinated to give chlorinated compound as a side product. So I used iron triplate instead of chlorinated Lewis acid. So when you use aluminum chloride or zinc chloride, in some cases, instead of Lewis acid, give you side product that form chlorinated compound. Okay. Second one, why are organometalloid compound often considered a bridge between organic and inorganic chemistry in modern senses? Okay, this is a good question. Why is this one? As you know, organometalloid compound. You see its name, organometalloid, organic and metal. So this branch of chemistry is appeared as a new technique to a bridge between compound which originate from organic, like any organic compound, and metal to form complexation. For example, as you know, cisplatin. Do you know cisplatin? Cisplatin is the compound that treated carcinogenic cells. If you see cisplatin, it is considered as organometal compound. Platin with organic compound. So organic compound is very a bridge between organic and inorganic. Organic is organic. Metalloid is inorganic chemistry. So it is a bridge between them. Another one. If hydrothermal system use water as a green solvent, what happened if the reaction require non-polar conditions? Okay, you will change it from hydrothermal to solvothermal. This is okay, no problem. In your reactions, you have you to open your mind in your lab. You should have open-minded to use if you hydrothermal. Okay, it is a green solvent. But if the reaction require non-polar, so change it from hydrothermal to solvothermal. So in optimization process, before your reaction to complete this your reaction to get your product, first of all, you must do optimization steps to differentiate between hydrothermal and solid thermal, which is the best condition for your reaction. Okay. Can the system still be considered green? Yes. Why? When you use nonpolar solvent, but with less toxic effect, and for example, in solvothermal, low temperature at room temperature, with under air condition, this is a green condition. The green conditions is different from 1 to 1. How does this affect the overall sustainability of the process? No problem. You can, when you use hydrothermal reaction or solvothermal reaction, when you use a catalyst or green solvent or non-green solvent, the sustainability is okay. Is okay, because you should have a pure product with less toxic effect to proceed your target. Okay. Another question?
Complete. Sudah ya? Komplit semua ya? Any question again?
Okay. Does the presence of a catalyst affect the product format? For example, whether it becomes a powder or single crystal due to nucleation? Okay, this is a very, very good question. Okay, as we in discussion, we use a catalyst, the rule of catalyst, as a center of nucleation. So when you get a powder or single crystals, okay, as you know, nanoparticles, nanoparticles, for example, titanium oxide, zinc oxide, in hydrothermal, many of them give you single crystals. In solvothermal, you got powder crystals. So when you use solvothermal to get single crystal, you should do crystallization. Okay, so the end product of many hydrothermal reaction is single crystal. All of products in solvothermal, powder or okay, you can see that like oily product. If lower melting point, you can obtain lower melting point products is oily product. So in solvent crystal, you have two shapes: powder or oily products if they are with low melting point. In hydrothermal, many of them can sorry, you can obtain a single crystal. So this is the nucleation. The presence of catalyst, yes, affect the product performance. Okay.
Okay.
Another one.
Gini ya, untuk I'm sorry I talk in Indonesian
Okay,
to
no
my
problem.
student ya.
I
Anak-anak
try to
ya,
understand.
kalau memberi pertanyaan itu, kalau pertanyaannya itu apakah ataukah bisakah, cuman begitu aja itu nanti nilainya 75. Tapi harus ditambahin mengapa demikian, atau ditambah apa alasannya. Jadi harus sampai memberikan alasan ya, bisa mengapa atau bagaimana apa alasannya gitu. Jadi kalau hanya apakah bisa atau apakah ada atau apa gitu aja itu nilainya cuma 75 ya. Ini contohnya untuk Kesia dan kawan-kawan ini kalau dinilai pertanyaan hanya 75, tapi kalau Anda di belakangnya Anda tambahi mengapa, itu nilainya 95 gitu loh ya. Jadi tolong untuk didengarkan tadi penjelasan dari Pak Iris. Kalau enggak diulangi lagi, ditambahi itu supaya direspon gitu ya. Oke. I suggest my student to give you the question not only about what or can or but they have to add why. So they get the ration. It is affect the score of the question because I will give the score for their
Okay,
question.
we
Sure.
have another
Yes,
question,
yes,
Dr.
yes,
Totet.
yes.
Isaiah.
For the task, yeah.
Okay, and his group. Does the presence of a catalyst affect the product format? For example, it is the same question. For another one.
Ya. Untuk yang masih
Yes,
belum menanyakan ditambah mengapa atau bagaimana supaya ditulis
the same
ulang
one.
ya. Ditulis ulang di terus kemudian saya record ya. Jadi
I'm waiting to another one if you have.
ya, masih ada lagi? Boleh kalau mau ya, latihan speaking untuk berbicara secara langsung silakan ya. Ada kesempatan. Jangan khawatir saya pendengaran saya itu juga lemah kok ini. Terus ngomongnya nekat ya. Nekat is the best. Silakan mau langsung boleh. Please you can give the question directly or you can write on the chat ya. Any question again? Apip sudah selesai semua ya, Bib? Ini yang Keisha nilainya you still have the score low ya because no additional question about why or how. Although Prof. Avis give you narration, but I will score based on your question, not based on his answer. Yeah, your score based on your question, not answer of Prof. Avis. Yeah, please
Okay.
rewrite again.
You want to ask them?
Yes, terus ditulis ulang ya. Yang masih itu apa? Nanti nilainya rendah itu, nilai 75 tok loh itu. Kehadiran jangan lupa ngisi walaupun sudah ngisi di apa? Di Shadow di Skigma itu supaya di apa? Presensi di Zoom supaya diisi ya, karena itu ada nilainya. Kalau yang di Sigma tidak ada nilainya. Yang ada nilainya adalah yang di Zoom. Sudah lengkap? Loh, yang ngisi presensi masih 25 orang katanya Afif. Yang ngisi kuesioner 25, ngisi presensi juga 25. Still 25 the student fill the questionnaire and apa itu presence list ya. Please
You told me that Afif will prepare some question.
any question again? No? Tidak ada ya. Iki loh naik. Ada ya. Sudah ya.
I can give you 3 questions if you want.
Oh, iya sih. Sudah selesai semua ini. Sudah tidak ada lagi. Sudah tidak ada
These
lagi
3
ya.
questions.
Okay, no question anymore. No question anymore.
This is 3
Oh ini
questions
ada,
for
ada
answer.
Ada lagi.
Enggak, Pak Iwis ini ngerangkum.
Uh-uh.
Ngerangkum.
Oh ini ngerangkum. Ya, saya juga ngerangkum benar dari resume ya. I also collect all the question.
I shared the 3 questions.
Yes, this is your record.
Okay.
Ini recordnya Pak Ewis ini.
Allah Afif.
Jangan kalau presensi supaya diisi ya, masih 25, masih kurang. Mahasiswanya kan ada 31. Jadi ada 6 orang yang belum mengisi presensi dan juga mengisi kuesioner ya. Kalau buat begini tuh lulus skor, Prof. Ewis.
Yes.
Buat ini. Sudah Habib, sudah lengkap. Sekarang sudah 28 ya, kurang. Ayo cepetan Kak ini ya, segera tak tutup ya. Sudah, tapi semua sudah bertanya ya Habib. Semua sudah bertanya, silakan kalau mau bertanya yang lainnya. Not connected to this presentation, if you have the question to Prof. Ewis,
Yes.
maybe to take anything which important about EGIP or AGOP NRC, you can give the question to him here.
I give him 3 questions.
Ini sudah berapa orang? Masih 27. Berapa orang, Pip, yang isi kuesioner? Afif? Hah? 28. Berarti kurang 4 orang. Remain 4 student, ya. Okay. There is question again.
Yes, I saw it. Hello. Okay. How and why does the catalyst affect the nucleation and crystal growth process? How does it influence the nucleation rate of or the level of supersaturation in the system? And why do these changes lead to different morphologies? This is one question of how and why can different types of this.
How and why?
Okay, it is the same. How and why can reaction parameters such as catalyst production condition be used to control whether the product forms a powder or single crystal? It's the same. Okay, I will answer now. First of one is the same. The question or a new one? How and why does the catalyst affect the nucleation and the crystal growth process? As you know, Kisaya and your group, as you told you before, catalyst is the center of nucleation. When product is formed, the catalyst lies in the center of nucleation. So he can control the crystal growth by attract the catalyst, the reactant together to give the new product. In case of hydrothermal, to form in the autoclaves, the presence of also catalyst and the reactant. So he can form, for example, on the surface of the sheets or roots. So we can enhance it, the crystal growth process. So how does it influence the nucleation rate? So the catalyst rule is accelerate this rate to form the desired product in low time, the least time with high efficiency and with higher supersaturation in the system. Why do these changes lead to different morphologies? According to the type of catalyst. When you use titanium oxide or zinc oxide or iron oxide, give you different morphologies. Also, when you change the pressure or temperature, they give you different morphologies. For example, if you wanted to nanoroot titanium oxide, we should a specific temperature. When rising temperature or pressure, get changes from roots to sheets or for the right types. So, according to the parameter of the reaction, pressure, temperature, and catalyst and the supersaturation influences the nucleation and the crystal growth process. Okay.
Okay. Any question again?
Plus, how and why can reaction parameters such as a catalyst, concentration, and reaction condition be used to control whether the product performs as a powder? Oh, that's good. As you know, when the reactant amount is highly concentrated in a small container, the collisions between molecules will be high rate. So the powder is formed. When the reaction we have intermolecular spaces is high molecular spaces with low concentration, they give single crystals to form that. So according to concentration, you can get powder or single crystals. Okay.
Enough. I think some students give you the question about the parameter, whereas parameter will be discussed in the next visiting lecture, yeah, session
Yes, yes,
2. So,
yes.
student, you can
It will be
memberikan
discussed
lagi, ya,
in
dikasihkan
details
lagi.
in
You
the
can give
list
again.
this one.
Yes.
Yes, yes, it will be discussed in this is the next
It will
discussion
be
in
discussed in
details.
the session 2. Sudah ya? Ada lagi? Any question again? Sudah nggak ada? Sudah lengkap ya, Bib?
Masih 28 nggak nambah.
Oh, ini tolong memberi presensi ya. Karena ada nilainya ya. Aku mau nilainya 0 itu ya apa? Anaknya berapa sih jumlahnya?
Di WA 32, 31, 31.
Hmm.
Baca di WA.
Tapi yang pertama tadi lengkap, Habib. Oke, apa jarani? Jarin anaknya. Yang baru bergabung ya, supaya segera mengisi presensi. Yang barusan bergabung supaya ngisi presensi. Karena mau segera ditutup ya Zoom-nya.
Di WA juga.
Hmm?
Di WA.
Coba. Oh iya, supaya segera ngisi presensi dan ngisi di partisipan 30. Berarti kurang 4 orang ya. Sudah nggak ada pertanyaan lagi? No question anymore?
I'm waiting. Dr. Tedek, you have a question?
I inform you for the next visiting lecture, it will be in Monday, ya, in the class schedule, ya, it will be handled in the online, ya, online
Okay.
class like this,
At the same time.
at the same time, ya,
Yes, okay.
pada jam yang sama, ya. Itu class ya, class schedule.
Okay.
With the topic about influencing factor, ya, influencing factor of catalyst in hydrothermal inorganic synthesis, ya, especially
Yes.
about organometal, organophosphor, organometalloid,
Yes.
then the expertise of Prof. Ewis, ya.
Yes.
Sudah ya, nggak ada pertanyaan? Sudah berapa Bib yang ngisi presensi? Masih tetap, berarti arahnya nggak balik lah emang itu. Sudah ya, biarkan ya. Hah? Oh ya, tolong untuk semuanya on cam ya. Ini mau di dokumentasi ya. Sebentar. Tolong on cam. Permai, Rizka, Cynthia. Ini
I'm
kepalanya
waiting
naik
if I
ya.
have a question.
Dinaikkan supaya tidak kelihatan jidatnya
Me?
tok ini ya. Ya,
Oh,
please show your face. Ini Khairunisa terlalu too low. Dinaikkan badannya gini supaya kelihatan. Ya, supaya enggak kelihatan. Ini kelihatan jidatnya atau ini. Siapa ini Permai? Ya, boleh jauh, boleh dekat ya. Ini lebih ke atas, muka kelihatan. Ada yang ini matanya tok kelihatan. Ya. Permai kurang ke atas. Permai. Oke ya, saya pindah. Oke. Cynthia belum kelihatan. Cynthia Putri. Rahmayanti. Ayo Rek, Rahmayanti, Cynthia Putri. Ini udah ada orangnya? Oh, mungkin sedang ini sholat ya. Jam berapa sih? Sudah ya. Terima kasih. Boleh off cam lagi. Ya, boleh off cam lagi. Okay, Prof. Ewis, thank you very much for coming. And don't forget for the next session in Monday, 30th of March 2026 at the same time like this. Okay, thank you very much. I close this class ya. Let's say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You can
Okay.
yeah, you can leave ya.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi. Okay. Apa?
29 yang di situ.
29. Ada yang belum ngisi ya? Siapa enggak tahu ya?
Nggak tahu.
Ini Cynthia tadi enggak kelihatan Cynthia. Ya? Oh ya.